Hello and welcome to this week's WordPress tip of the week. This week we're going to go over how you can display the current user ID within a template. Now what I did is I created a page called Demo, and I also made a template called Demo, which I kept in my child theme. So let's take a look at it. We're here in cPanel. Let's click on File Manager, Public HTML, Content, Themes, and now my storefront child, and here's the demo template. So let's go ahead and edit it. Okay, we created the template with the template name of demo. We're calling the header, and then we have some brief inline styling here with a 90% width and minimum height of 600 pixels. And then we're just wrapping this within a container. Welcome to the demo area. Alright, so now if you want to find the user ID within a template, this is what you do. Okay, so now there's two ways of doing it. If you want to get the current user ID, you can get the number ID of the user, or you can get the name of the user. And what we'll do is, just for illustration purposes, we will do it both ways. So if you want to get the name of the user, what you would do is you would call it a variable, in our case username, equals, and then we're going to use the following function: get current user. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to echo out the username. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. Now, okay, so my current username is WPTOW since I'm the administrator. So let's go ahead and go over to our site and let's see what we got. And there we go. We have WPTOW as the username. Okay, so now let's find out what the ID is. Now again, since I'm the administrator and I'm the first one on the site, my ID would be 1. So no problem. To do that, what we're going to do is just going to I'm going to enter a couple of line breaks here. This way they're not stuck together. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to set a variable called userID, and then we're going to use this function, get current user underscore ID. Now it's not much difference, pretty much the same. And then what we're going to do is we're going to echo the user ID out. So now what should happen is it should say, for echoing the username, should say WPTOW, and then have a couple of line breaks underneath, and then echo out the user ID, which would be the number 1. So save it, and we're going to go to our store page and we will refresh. And there you go. Here's our username and here is our user ID. So these come in very handy for numerous reasons, because you can use it to customize pages. You can also use it to customize various features, such as limit things only by user number or user ID number, or even by username. So that's how you would do it for finding the current user ID or the current username. That wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week. I hope you liked the video and subscribe to our channel. And at the end of each month, all subscribers are eligible for a drawing for a WordPress course. So we look forward to seeing you next week. Take care. Bye.